Hello, my name is Gisela. My first favorite device is the cell phone because it helps me communicate in any emergency. You can't do different this sure as you can enter your social network easily. You can send messenger anywhere in the world. You can download games and play. My favorite second device is the smartwatch because the battery does not drink quickly. You can do different this sure as you can't connect in your cell phone. You can listen to music. You can't receive your messenger from your friends. My third favorite device is the laptop because I have the ability to create documents or files. You can do different this sure as you can send emails, you can watch to movies online. You can make video calls with the relatives who are living abroad. Thank you.